Ever wonder how I spend my day off? Today you get an inside peek. So we'll start off with my morning routine. Even on an off day, my skin deserves some tender, loving care. So I always start off with hyaluronic acid to my face. If you're a woman in your 30s, you gotta use hyaluronic acid. It's great for moisture retention. It helps to keep the skin moisturized and make it even plumper, causing a youthful appearance. And then also for its anti-aging properties. As we age, the skin loses its natural hyaluronic acid content, which leads to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. So I always use this day and night. Next is protection against UV rays with using a good SPF. It helps to reduce skin cancer risks like melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and basal cell carcinoma. Of course, it also helps prevent premature aging as well. Next, we're going to use a little bit of some eyeshadow to brighten up my eyes from my eye makeup line, the Eye Appeal Cosmetics, for people who have sensitive eyes. So something quick, my son's screaming at me to use blue. I had nothing blue on that day, but I'm just gonna go with it. All the links to all the products that I use will be in my description box, as well as my Amazon storefront. So tell me why I signed up to be Teen Mom for my son's T-ball team. It's a lot of work. I didn't know what I was signing up for, but here I am. Typically, my duties consist of making sure a whole bunch of 5 to 6 year olds are ready and engaged to play the game, snacks and all that. It's very entertaining to watch, but it's a lot of work. With all the fun and excitement from earlier today comes a little chore time, but hey, someone got to do it, and that someone is me. So I'm starting off with my son's room, washing out his sheets. I have to use all free and clear. I can't use any detergent that has any type of fragrance in it because my son has eczema. So as much as I love my clothes and everything to smell good, for myself, I can't do that for my son. It would just cause his skin to be irritated. He gets flare-ups, and it's just a pain to deal with. So no fragrance for him. I'll do a separate video showing all the items that I use for my son to help control his eczema, especially for the moms out there who was like me, did not know what to do in order to control his flare-ups. We went to several doctors until I was able to find a great African-American doctor here in Atlanta who essentially provided relief for my son after so many years. Like literally, we found her maybe 2 years ago, and it's been a game changer. I love that I have this cubicle to sort out my son's clothes. I separated by pants, shirts, baseball outfits, and it just makes things a lot easier. Next up is a grocery store run in order to pick up some items. I don't know why my son is doing that. So I'm just picking up some items for the week. Just making sure that we're fully stocked for the upcoming week. These voiceovers are like hard. I probably need to get used to them, but yeah. I don't know. You don't know who put that red mark? Huh? Who you pointing at? Boy. Spider-Man. Look what you did. Of course, my son trying to act like he didn't know who put the red marks on the pillows, but we're just going to let it go. So after that, I just spent the rest of the day trying to catch up on content, going through my content schedule, catching up on some unfinished charts that I had throughout the week. Thank you for spending the day with us. I hope you enjoyed this type of content. So this is how this optometrist spends her off day as a wife and as a mom. Just a sneak peek. Of course, my day is still jam-packed of catching up with chores, cooking, cleaning, things like that. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to learn all things about beauty, eye health, motherhood, and lifestyle. Until next time, keep those eyes shining bright and catch you guys later.